Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Tunes. A quick tip for when you're installing a console or anything else that you're trying to square up to your railings and everything else in your boat. When I install the vinyl weave floor, just like this tan vinyl weave from pontoonstuff.com, I make sure that one side is even on overhang. We've got videos on that, you can always look those up, but I make sure that I have the same amount of overhang along one side of the deck boards. That way when I glue it down, my lines in my vinyl are going to be relatively square. And what that allows me to do when installing something like a console is I've got one screw in this outside corner, and what I can do is I can rotate it now and I can follow this line, this weave, part of the weave in the vinyl, and I can follow this across so that it lines up the same on both sides. And now I know that my console is square to my floor, my railings, because starting way back in my flooring installation, I squared everything up. Try that when you're redoing your pontoon boat.